Hi, I want to talk to you about this Katbite parchment paper. It's the first time I've purchased this. I usually buy the smaller rolls, and I decided to go big. So I'm so glad I did. For the first thing is 300 feet. I'll be using this for a while, but I use parchment paper for everything. And one of the best things I have found out about this paper is it doesn't roll up into itself. So I pulled out a sheet and it's nice and flat. It's ready to use. I don't have to fight with it on my cookie sheet to make it lay flat. Now I'm going to be rolling something in between two pieces of paper. And the last thing I want is this parchment paper to be rolling up inside of itself. I got enough to fight with. I don't need the paper to fight with it too. So I am really happy with this parchment paper. And it's a great deal. With this value pack of the 300 feet, you get a lot of paper for a reasonably priced. And that's just my opinion.